Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to water your veggies garden. I had this water prepared already yesterday in the evening after I watered. So we don't want that it's cold directly, so I leave it through the day. So we can now start. We wait that the sun sets down. We don't want to water directly on the sun. You can also do it early in the morning. So we start watering. I always start with the tomatoes here. For the tomatoes it's important that we don't water the leaves, just around the roots. And the basil we can water also on the leaves. We also always put basil in between tomatoes. They grow very nicely in between tomatoes. They say what grows together comes together, and I think it's also the opposite, because as we know, tomatoes are very nice with basil, caprese salad. So if they come together, they can also grow together. Okay, so we're gonna add some more water. And we can now continue watering. I'm sure the veggies are very thirsty. It was really hot today as well. And you can see the water quickly goes in earth. Here I can already show you first tomatoes. Look, you can see first tomatoes. So we continue the second round. Here I also have the peppers. The peppers as well. We water them down. Try to not water them on the leaves, as we said for tomatoes as well. We need more water. You can really see the earth is so dry, so I try to water them a lot. So let's continue. We just have these two tomatoes. And I will show you the first peppers also. Look at this tiny pepper. Okay, so now we can continue with the cabbage. So the cabbage we can also water down, but also it's not a problem if we water on the leaves a bit. So first I'm gonna water it down and then just do one cycle like this. Look at this beautiful cabbage butterfly. Beautiful. You can see the sparrows. So I'm now putting this for the birds. I always put them or figure out something else also. I'll put them now here. They already know and we continue the watering. I always call them so they know we continue with watering. I will also try to show you one day the birdies. They of course come when I'm not here. I'll show you. So let's continue. Let's go on our peppers. It's still a bit sunny, but it's already half shady. So as we said, we water the peppers also down by the roots. We try not to water the leaves. And here you can already see a bit bigger pepper. I don't know if you hear the birdies. I have two more. And I still have the tomatoes here left. But you can really see how the earth is very dry. And now here we have the beans. The beans you can practically water on the leaves. And here I have the cucumbers. Cucumbers really needs a lot of water. I just have to put this one up. And you see we also have a small cucumber already. And the beans are already blooming as well. And here I have the mint, which I really have to take care of tomorrow, because otherwise it will take over. And I have another one here, so this I really have to. So I'm gonna take so much water, some more water. You see a cucumber? It's a bit windy finally, so let's water these beans. As I said, you can water the beans also on the leaves. And also this part. And we finish with these cucumbers. As I said, cucumbers really need a lot of water, so I'm not sparing with the water. So we finish watering for today. Look at these tomatoes. Oh, so small. So if you find something useful, if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in another one. Have a lovely day. Ciao. I will try to catch the birdies. For now, have a lovely day. Ciao.